How to use Snapchat Time Capsule feature. To use the Snapchat's Time Capsule feature, you first of all have to launch the Snapchat application on your device. Once you open it, you simply have to switch to your front-facing camera if it isn't already active. Now, once this is opened, you simply have to tap on the smiley face icon on the bottom. From here, you should be able to load your available filter and lenses over here. Once this is opened, you simply have to now tap on the search bar or the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner from the pop-up window to search for the Time Capsule Lens. Go ahead and tap on the search bar, then type Time Capsule. Now go ahead and search it, and here you go. You should be able to find all these lens over here. Go ahead and select on any of this of your choice. Once you open it, you simply have to now go ahead and capture and then choose your year from here. Now you can add this particular media to your story or simply post it as a spotlight. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.